Okay, so we will start the processing instruction. This is about the demand paging. You start processing particular instruction. So you have to get that, from the, you get the generate address of an instruction. First you have to generate the address of an instruction, right? You have to generate what? Because CPU will generate address. That will be definitely, the address will be in the instruction itself, isn't it? Instructions opcode and operands, right? So instruction need to be fetched and decoded where we get the address. After you get the address of the instruction, you calculate the page number. You calculate what? Page number. Because in what, look here, in what page that instruction is, the data of that instruction is, you have to calculate the page number, right? Now we have to see whether that page is in a memory or not, because why? This could be in a virtual memory because we have a demand paging. Why we have virtual memory? To increase the multi-programming. We have loaded the various pages of our process in the VM. Answer my questions, what I am asking. Then what?
Yes.
What does it mean yes? Fetch the data. If the page is in memory, you have to fetch it from the data. Fetch the data because the page is already in memory. So it must be in a, what I said, working set. It is in the working set. So from a working set model, we said if it is in a working set, that means it must be in a RAM. So you don't have to get it from the disk. So you fetch the data, get the next instruction, and start the process again. Right? Then, if the page is not in a memory, then if the page is not in memory, then we have to see is free block in memory, because we have to get it from the virtual memory. Now we have to see whether there is space in a RAM or not. If there is no space in a RAM, that means you have to kill some, basically you have to kill some page. You have to replace a page. उसकी जगह पे आपका अपना पेज डालना पड़ेगा. अब you have to replace some page using some page replacement techniques जो हमने पढ़े हैं. Then you adjust the PMT for that page because it is no more in our RAM. But before you, also you should do what? You have to see is the page dirty or not. If the page was dirty, then you have to write it back on a disk. The page dirty means, yes, has it some changes or not? If there has been some changes, then what should we do? What does that mean? Because otherwise the change will be lost of that page. If no, that was not dirty, no need to go access hard drive and all. Just simply get the disk address of the page from, what is FMT? Also, if there is also even there is a free block, you still get some get your page from the virtual memory, right? Therefore, you have to calculate its address from FMT. Adjust PMT again for that page, the new page which arrived. You have to adjust PMT to say that this page is in my particular that frame. ये किस frame में है? That will be in a PMT, page map table, right? Now read the page. You have to read the page, okay, and go for the next instruction. You have to go for the what? Start processing the instruction. Are you getting me what I'm saying? So this is your working. This is your basic algorithm or basic flow chart or algorithm for your demand paging. And page replacement techniques जो हमने कल पढ़ी, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा काम because important thing. And page replacement techniques मैंने क्या बताया? First in, first out, then optimum. बहुत सारे हैं, बड़े तीन जो हैं from examination point of view and all. This is important. LRU, least recently used. Amir, what is optimum doing? Previous year. फिर एब्सेंट क्यों रहते हो? LRU, least recently used. ज़रूरी इस पर दो देते रहे फिर. अजीब बात है. Yes, anybody who's tell me what's optimum?
replace that page which is not currently used.
ऑप्टिमम क्या होता है?
Page which is not used in future.
नूर फ्यूचर, नियर फ्यूचर में ये दिस सीज द फ्यूचर एंड दिस गना सी द पास्ट एंड दिस इज सिंपली फर्स्ट एंड फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, तो पता ही है, ठीक है। ऑप्टिमम में देखता है कि वो क्या आपका जो पेज रिप्लेस करोगे क्या फ्यूचर में, नज़दीक फ्यूचर में, नियर फ्यूचर में क्या वो इस्तेमाल तो नहीं होगा। अगर वो नियर फ्यूचर में इस्तेमाल होगा, अगर मैंने उसी को रिप्लेस किया वो फिर इस्तेमाल होने वाला है तो पेज फॉल्ट आ जाएगा, इसलिए मुझे उसको रिप्लेस नहीं करना चाहिए। मुझे वो पेज रिप्लेस करना चाहिए जो नियर फ्यूचर में नहीं इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, जो कहीं दूर इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, ठीक है। लीस्ट रिसेंटली यूज्ड इज अ पास्ट, अलाउड यू वर्क्स ऑन अ पास्ट कि जो लीस्ट रिसेंटली यूज नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है। बस में जा रहे। सो दीज थ्री वी ऑलरेडी डन इट एंड मूम विल गेट अप ऑन द बोर्ड और अजहर विल गेट अप ऑन द बोर्ड एंड डू दैट three things, right? Gözün almıyor. Sıkay diyorsun.